Join us on our mother and daughter trip to northern Italy. We are staying in the town of Riva Del Garda, which is on the northern end of the stunning Lake Garda. We start with my husband dropping us off at the premium set-down area at Birmingham Airport. This cost us £4 for 15 minutes, but then the cost went up dramatically after each additional minute. It is AMPR, so when you're ready to leave, head to a pay machine with your registration number in your head, then you've got a few minutes to leave. We are flying with TUI, who have an evening check-in and bag drop for certain flights, so we made use of that. One less thing to queue for in the morning. We then check in for a night at the Novotel hotel, which is metres away from the terminal. We have another video covering more of the Novotel hotel. That's a bit of a tongue twister, so check that out. It's finally time for our 2-hour flight from Birmingham to Verona. Arriving at Verona was nice and straightforward. Plus, there were TUI reps all over to direct us to the correct transfer coach for our hotel. The coach was a bit snug, to be honest, but the views we were about to see on our journey to Riva Del Garda would more than take our minds off sitting like sardines in a tin. Even though we arrived at our hotel, the Savoy Palace, an hour before check-in time, we still managed to get the keys to our room. We had booked a standard twin room with balcony, but are allocated an awesome family room with a huge balcony and magnificent mountain views. Next was a short walk to Lake Garda to find somewhere for lunch. We tried to order a pizza each at this restaurant, and the waiter winked and said, "Just the one?" So we got his message. He was right, it was huge. So we just shared one. We then enjoyed a first look around Riva and the wonderful Lake Garda. Back at the hotel, and before we start getting ready for dinner tonight, time for a swim. We were half board at the Savoy Palace. You get the evening meal menu at breakfast and are requested to tick your choices for evening meal. Each evening meal starts with a buffet and then the 3 courses. Come back next Friday to see what we get up to on day 2. It was a stunning day. We went to a beautiful place called Limone.